The move toward open networks is unstoppable. And the reason for that is the attraction of open networks is undeniable. Who is it that would want kind of a stiff, flexible, vertically integrated solutions when the internet's already shown that creativity coming from different parts of the user community and application ecosystem is the right answer?
Open networking has great promise, and it's something that's definitely a component of the solution of the SDN strategy Verizon announced last week. What will be important as we move forward that it's implemented in such a way that it achieves the end result, which is making it easy to connect multiple vendor solutions to deliver an end-to-end service to the customer.
On the open source side, we've been working with OpenStack and Open Daylight, and now with the OPNFV, particularly on the Open Virtual Switching project. All of these designed as projects to take technology in and make them available to the industry. We want to continue to help them to innovate and expose the platform's attributes and abilities.
So what's interesting about the evolution of open networking is that networking and now NFV is probably the largest industry without an ISV or developer community that's clearly defined. And so towards that end, to catalyze an ISV and developer community and create an operator community that's now also a full stack developer understanding all the pieces, code's got to be available. To create a developer community, you don't launch one, you build one.
Open networking, I think clearly there's a major inflection point, or call it a transformation that's happening in the telecom industry, where traditionally a lot of the technology evolution and, for that matter, standardization was being done in standard bodies, whereas now we're seeing a lot more coming out from the open innovation.
So I think that the whole open networking thing, it's a reflection of the trend around separation of hardware and software. But ultimately, this is driven by the desire of, particularly of network operators, to move into a world where they're not locked into proprietary technologies and single vendor solutions.
I think the transformation is essential because the complexities are so great that you need to get economies of scale. And the only way to get those kinds of scale economies is by using these open tools to increase the market size